Now, if you need the motivation, if you need a little jump start in your life, if you need somebody to kind of get you going to where you know you need to be, Will Harris is the man that you need to see.
If you want to think bad enough to go out and fight for it, to work day and night for it, to give up your time, your peace, and your sleep for it, if all that you dream and scheme is about it, and life seems useless and worthless without it, if you gladly sweat for it and fret for it and plan for it, and lose all your opposition of the terror for it, if you simply go after that thing that you want, with all your capacity, strength and sagacity, faith, hope and confidence, and stern personality, if neither cold, poverty, famine, or gout, sickness nor pain of body and brain can keep you away from the thing you want. If dog and grin, you beseech and beseech, with the help of God, you'll get it. My book is Willpower Now.